In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partial close on Ctrader. Partial closing lets you lock in some profit or reduce risk without exiting a trade entirely, and it takes just a few clicks on Ctrader desktop. Start by opening Ctrader desktop and making sure you're connected to the right live or demo account. You'll want the market for your instrument to be open, otherwise the platform won't execute the close. Next, head to the Trade tab and look for the Positions section. This is different from orders. Positions are your active trades. Find the position you want to trim. You should see details like the symbol, direction, current volume, and floating P&L. Hover over that position and click the small gear icon to the right. That opens the action menu for that specific trade. From the menu, choose Close Position. Don't worry, this won't instantly close everything. It first opens a confirmation window where you control how much to close. In the window, focus on the volume field. By default, it's set to the full size of the position. Replace it with the exact portion you want to close. Volume can be shown in lots or units depending on your settings, and it must be less than or equal to your current position size and above the platform's minimum increment. For example, if you're long 120 lot and you want to scale out halfway, enter 0.50. If your account uses units, type the number of units you intend to exit. Always double check the instrument's minimum step to avoid errors. When you're ready, click Close. The platform will execute a market close for that portion at the best available price. You'll see realized profit or loss recorded in your history, and the remaining position will stay open with a reduced volume. Your stops and targets typically remain on the remaining size, but it's good practice to review them afterward to confirm they still match your plan. If the close button is disabled, the market may be closed, trading may be halted, or your volume is outside allowed limits. Adjust the amount and try again. Also be mindful of slippage and spreads during volatile periods, as they can affect your fill price. That's it. Open Ctrader. Desktop. Go to Trade and Positions. Use the gear icon. Choose Close Position. Set the volume you want to reduce and click Close. With this workflow, you can scale out smoothly and manage risk with precision.